Hi, we're here at the UNAVCO booth at GSA 2009, and Alex Biholar is going to give us a little demo on LiDAR. We're going to do a couple more demos, so Alex, maybe tell us a little bit about what you're going to do today.
Okay, so we're working with LiDAR. In this case, we're working with terrestrial LiDAR. And what LiDAR is light detection and ranging. So we use a laser beam, or a light source, that's emitted from this LiDAR machine here. This is a Regal LPM 800. And that beam gets sent out, and it hits a surface. When it hits that surface, it gets reflected back. When it's reflected back, we record the time that takes for the beam emitted here to hit the wall and come back, divide by the speed of light, and that gives you your two-way travel time. From there, we can figure out the range of an object. So what this does is this actually will scan several thousand points per second, and we can start to create a three-dimensional point cloud of points that can start defining a geometry. So for geology, we're interested in this if we're looking at outcrops or terrain models. And it's a very powerful tool to start doing high-resolution studies. Now, LiDAR is kind of on the cutting edge for what we can tell in geology, for what we can measure, and it's starting to find its niche in geomorphology and structural geology, and we have people working in sedimentology, and it's going to be a very, very powerful tool. So the scanner, what we'll do is we'll find an area that we're interested in scanning, and we'll actually figure out an area, find it with our little rifle scope here mounted on top, find a top corner, and then we'll go down and measure a bottom corner. And that'll define the area that we're scanning. Now we'll also set the resolution that we're scanning at, giving the angular step distance, or how many points it's going to take a laser shot. Rotate just a little bit, take another laser shot, rotate a little bit, take another laser shot. Granted, it's doing that a lot faster than I'm explaining that. And that time that I explained that, it probably would have taken already another 10,000 points. So very high speed stuff. And what this does is we'll get this in our software and be able to process it and create a mesh to that point cloud and be able to actually grid the data and find out some very interesting three-dimensional processes with it. So that's
great.
What we got.
Well, Alex is going to be here at 2 p.m. tomorrow, Tuesday, and also at 10 a.m. on Wednesday. So come and check out the LiDAR demo at the UNAVCO booth at GSA 2009. Thanks, Alex.